Hey guys, Andrew from Barrel Bros here. Today we're going to be talking about these Hayashi Bombers. These are some very unique wheels. They're in great condition, and within minutes of our Facebook page putting them up, they are sold. They're going to be getting a complete refurb and relip. As you can see, the centers on these, original paint. These also have original hardware, original center caps and stickers. These wheels probably only seen a couple tyres on them max. They have the original sizing placard. They're 14s. You rarely see these in this condition, if not see them anyway.
How good are they?
Awesome. These turned out great.
Yeah, considering how they started, they're really good now.
Probably the last set we're going to see here. These are so rare.
Yeah.
Get back to work. Bit of a sign of the times, isn't it? Okay. Worse is when it fogs up your glasses. Anyway, when those bombers came in, they were just in really good condition. It's the first set we've ever had in the place. The boys took it upon themselves to do the video for it. But the good thing about them was they had not bad rim stickers on them, but some stuff that was legible. So we've been able to copy them, and they're available in the shop from now. And just lately, we've had a few that have come in, and we've started to redo all these old rim stickers. So we've got August for O stickers. There you go. For the rims. Southern Ways, we got those off a little set of 13s a little while ago. Southern Ways rim stickers, very cool. Hayashi Command rim stickers, beautiful. And the usual long champ, we've got these of course. They're not like the original metal ones. What we've done is printed them on chrome, so they're just a peel and stick They've got a good adhesive on it, so you just sort of give your wheel a nice clean. You can replace those with these guys. And while he was there, he also did a set of President Centre Cap stickers. So I'll be putting them on a little bit later. These are all done by Mark at Sequoia Media down in Melbourne. Excellent bloke. Has some really cool cars. We've done some wheels for him because he knows I'm a bit useless putting on stickers. So man knows me well. All right guys, thanks for watching. See you next time.